To get sound alert for sound notification active or pause status in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable notification for active or pause status alert. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Next, scroll down the screen. Under other section, tap the gray on option next to active or pause status to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will notify you when you are enabling or disabling the sound notification feature. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.